Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back into Steal a Brain Rot. If you guys saw in my last video, we're playing Steal a Brain Rot, and I got a full base of Lucky Blocks. And one secret Lucky Block. You keep this in the end.
He got one car.
My brother's right here with me. So let's do the Lucky Block opening. Spooky Lucky Block. Come on. Let's go! I never got this one. That's good stuff. Secret. Get me sold. Now let's go, yo. Yo, please give me the spooky. Nah, bro. Only secrets around here. Come, give me no more potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for my brother so he knows. Please give me last cookie. $2.3 million. Take it. Guys, let's try. Come on. Buns, I give it to my brother. Come on. Let's go. Okay, Gorilla, let's go. Come on. Guys, I think the Gorilla doesn't want to leave me alone. Guys, can you see this? Okay, second round. Secret Lucky Block we keep for last. It's a golden secret Lucky Block with the top with red. Let's go here. Last Lucky Blocks. 6, 7. Six, 7. Guys, please like the video. Guys, oh my god. Not looking good so far. Come on. No. Guys, these are the last Lucky Blocks. Please subscribe. Please. Okay, guys. Okay, 2.3 million. Now we all be waiting for the secret Lucky Block. Let's go open this. Order from last secret. No. If you guys saw my packaging
Goomba,
opening.
Goomba.
Please subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.